Hi, today we are talking about how to respond to criticism, to negative words, to complaints. So if someone is really attack you, blame you, shout or share negative comments or feedbacks with you, it is not yours. So please remember, it is on their territory. That person is frustrated, nervous, stressed because of some reason, something hurt that person, not you. So you can respond in a different way and really stay calm. For instance, I learned from Marisa Peer something which really works. You can say, thank you for sharing that, but I have totally different opinion. We can talk later on when you calm down. Or maybe you can say, could you please repeat that slowly once again so that I can really understand you? And probably that person will never repeat it, or he may or she say in a totally different way. Or if that person is really dear to you, you can offer support. For instance, I can see that something really pissed you off. What can I do for you in order to calm down, to feel better? Or maybe we can scream together, we can let it out. We can let it out and throw it pillars against the walls or something, do like that, so that you can really help people to let it out and calm down. Try it, it really works.